Could AI actually replace me at my job? So a couple of days ago, I was sitting on my sofa watching TV, and I suddenly thought about this question, because this is a really controversial question that everyone is asking right now. So I thought, why not give this a try and see what I learn? So that's the question I tried to answer this week. For 5 straight days, I let AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Midjourney, Sora, and various other tools take over most of my daily tasks. Tasks like replying to emails, generating thumbnails, generating video scripts, etc., and even solving coding challenges. And I must admit, some of the results I got were mind-blowing, but others not so much. So let me take you guys through my AI-powered week, one day at a time, and share what I've learned so far. Let's get started. So day one was all about productivity. I used ChatGPT as my virtual assistant. I gave it access to mock emails and meeting notes and asked ChatGPT to write replies and create my to-do list. So how did it perform? So in terms of my emails, it wrote polite, well-structured responses faster than I ever could. I was really impressed. Meeting summaries, I simply uploaded the transcript of the meetings, and it gave me a precise actions and summaries, which I could convert into my to-do list, which was quite impressive as well. I think I'm going to use that on a regular basis now. I even had ChatGPT organize my day inside Notion using the task manager template, and that was quite impressive. I think these things I'm going to start doing on a regular basis and use it for my own projects. So my opinion on day one was honestly, for admin work, AI is already there. It saved me at least 60 to 90 minutes on day one, which was quite impressive. Right, let's move on to day two. Welcome to day two. So today I let AI help me write a YouTube video script. This one actually. So ChatGPT helped me structure the entire script. And then I used Claude, and it was great at taking a messy idea and making it more punchy and concise. I even asked both the models to generate viral title, description, and hashtags. And they came up with some really useful titles like The AI Assistant That Replaced Me, almost, and 5 Days with ChatGPT as My Boss. They are a bit funny and quite catchy as well. They're not perfect, but I think they can be a good starting point. And I also used Notion AI to refine my video outline and also to add a hook. So overall, I think on day two, I got a really nice script within few minutes instead of spending hours and hours writing a script. But was it perfect? Not at all. But as a brainstorming partner and editor, I think AI is incredible and it will save you a lot of time. I still added my own tone and personality to the script to make it more human-like. But I think it's a really good tool for creating that draft version of the script. Right, we are on day three. So on day three, I tested AI in design. So I wrote a video script. Now I needed a thumbnail. So I did that task on day three. So I used tools like Sora, Ideogram AI, and Canva's magic design tool. I asked Sora to generate a thumbnail backgrounds, which was quite impressive. I used a prompt called "Man looking overwhelmed at computer surrounded by floating AI icons." And it created me some impressive stuff. I'll show you on the screen. But yeah, I think to create something like that from scratch would have taken me hours. But with AI, I was able to do it within 10 minutes, which is quite impressive. It wasn't perfect, but like I said in my on my yesterday's video, that it was still good as a starting point. In some cases, I was able to create the final version like with minimal tweaks. So that's really impressive how AI can support you in your day-to-day work. Right, on day 4, I spent a bit of time with AI to solve my coding challenges. I tried rebuilding a simple landing page using ChatGPT and even tools like GitHub Copilot inside VS Code. And I think ChatGPT was able to build a HTML CSS page within seconds. It wasn't perfect, but like literally minor tweaks, and I was able to run that in the browser, which is quite impressive. But I think my learning from day 4 is AI did not make me obsolete. It made me 3 times faster. But the challenge here most people find is they think AI is going to replace them because they don't have any coding knowledge. If you have coding knowledge, then you can use tools like ChatGPT as an aid to make you like 3 to 5 times faster rather than them replacing your jobs. Because although AI can do the tasks, it doesn't have the ability yet to think like humans, to feel emotions and stuff like that. So I would definitely recommend using AI as a tool and not to worry about AI taking over your jobs. So we have created the script, we've created the thumbnail, we've shot the video, and now we want to edit the video. So on day 5, I spent some time with AI to edit the video. And I used tools like CapCut, Opus Clip, and 11 Labs. So I use CapCut for all my video editing here on my channel and one of my other channels where I review watches. And I think I'm really impressed with CapCut, to be honest. It has made my life a lot easier. I can edit stuff really quickly, create templates and stuff like that. So it's really, really, really good. And nowadays, people create long videos and then they can repurpose by creating short form videos for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok, and even on Facebook. So I use a tool called Opus Clip, where you simply upload your long video, and their AI will create short form videos that actually make sense, along with adding the captions and do certain level of editing as well based on what you're talking in the video. And I was very impressed. I could create 5 to 10 clips within, I would say, less than 2 minutes. And I also tried a script called Descript for editing the script that was created by AI. And I also tried 11 Labs, which is like a voice AI software. And it kind of generated a new intro line that I forgot to record automatically, which was really impressive. It was spooky, but really good. But like I said before, it wasn't 100% convincing, at least not yet. I think editing still needs a human touch. I think I don't think AI is there yet in terms of editing. It is not always perfect. Most of the times it will choose images or B-rolls that doesn't make sense to what you're saying. But AI can definitely help with 50 to 60% of the groundwork. So let's talk about the lessons learned from the last 5 days. So the big question is, can AI replace my job? I think it can replace tasks. So stuff like writing emails, summarizing meeting notes, coding simple problems or creating simple HTML, CSS pages, generating code based on the prompts that are created by humans, but it cannot replace human judgment, taste, or emotional nuance. So I think the short answer is no, AI cannot replace you at your job yet, because there are a lot of aspects of the job that needs judgment, the emotions, etc. But AI can definitely help you get better at your job and be faster doing your job. I think I would definitely use AI and get up to speed with the technology, because in future, people will be reliable on AI to do the job effectively. So if you're not using AI yet, make sure you start using AI to help you with your day-to-day stuff, your day-to-day job, or your personal stuff, anything. In fact, we should be asking question, can AI augment your job? And I would say 100% yes. It will definitely make your life easier. I think this week changed how I work, and I don't think I'll ever go back. I will carry on using AI for my day-to-day stuff and try and improve myself. Make sure you do as well. If you are curious about using AI tools in your work, try this challenge yourself. Or you might have already replaced some of your workflow with AI. Let me know in the comment section below, and drop us a like if you learned something new today. And hey, if AI hasn't replaced me yet, you better hit that subscribe button before it does replace me. Until next time, peace.